Hello, my friends. It's Miss Sharon, and I hope you guys are doing really well and having fun and learning and sharing with me all that you're learning and doing while you're at home. Today, I'm going to be showing you our foundational text of the week. Every day, we're going to read the same story. You can watch this video and follow along, listening to the story, and then mommy, daddy, or whoever is with you at home is going to help you answer the questions. And they know the questions, okay? So, the book of the week is called Rain. Let's look at the front of the book before we even get into it. What are we looking at? I see somebody hopping. And what is that? That looks like their reflection. Remember we spoke about reflection? It looks like their reflection is in the puddle of water that came from the rain, which I also see. Now let's see, who's writing the story? What is that called? The author. So the author is by Linda Ashman. I'm sorry if it's flipped, if you can't see it, but hopefully you'll be able to follow along. And that's the person that's writing the words in the story. And then the person that is the illustrator, or who? The person that draws the pictures is Christian Robinson. Look at all these things that person is drawing. So let's get into the story, okay? Wow, let's look at that. What are we seeing in that front page? I see lots of buildings. And you know what? Those buildings kind of look like buildings that we have in Brooklyn or in New York. And then I see rain. Lots and lots of rain. Raise your hand if you like the rain. I like it when I'm inside, in bed. Okay. So, on this side, there's an old man saying, rain! There's a friend over here saying, rain! Now, I'm saying it differently because it looks like this guy is upset that there's rain outside. But on this side, looks like this boy is really excited about the rain. Nasty galoshes, blasted overcoat, there goes my hair. Looks like he's not having a good time getting ready. On this side, is it raining cats and dogs? Now, friends, does it really rain cats and dogs? I think that's just a way of saying that it's raining a lot. It's raining frogs and pollywogs. Hippity hop. Pictures, really nice drawings. Good morning, sir. Hardly, dang puddle. Doesn't like puddles, but that boy likes it, right? He is playing in the puddle, and he's saying, good morning, young man. And he says, ribbit, because I think he's wearing a ribbit raincoat or a frog raincoat. Just more bad news. How are you, Mr. Frog? Hoppity, hoppity, hoppity. Still loving the rain. Finally. We're here. Coffee, black. Cocoa and cookies, please. Those look delicious. Which one's your favorite? Mine has to be the cupcakes. Love some cupcakes. Here he is at the Rain or Shine Cafe, still looking upset. This friend over here says, yum! And mommy says, delicious. Enjoying their cocoa and cookies. Watch out! Sorry, Ribbit. Oh no, his hat. That was the old man's hat that fell. What do you think he's gonna do? I hope he helps him pick it up. Oh, there he is, picking up the hat and running out the door. Hey, wait! You! That one, too. Mine? Looks like his face is getting more happy. What do we think? Looks like that to me. Oh, he puts on the frog hat and goes, Ribbit! Gives him his cookie, too, and says, yum! Looks like a chocolate chip cookie. That guy looks happy to me now. He's waving goodbye. Welcome back, sir. Ribbit. That was a really cool story. What did we think, my friends? I love that story. So now what we're going to do is answer the questions that parents have and let me know your answers. You could send me videos, pictures, anything you'd like. So thank you. Hope you enjoy. Bye.